Thecnical.net.
Hello, what's up? For this video we wanna explain us a one of principal non-destructive tests applied in aircrafts, which is the magnetic particle testing, or in other words, MT. Magnetic particle testing, also known as magnetic particle inspection, MPI, is a non-destructive testing technique that is widely used in the aviation industry for defecting surface and slightly surfacing cracks in critical components of aircraft. This method is based on the principle of magnetization, which makes an efficient and reliable technique for defining flows that are not easily visible for the naked eye. The aviation industry relies heavily on the use of magnetic particle testing, MT, as a part of its regular inspection and maintenance routine. This technique is used to detect cracks and other defects in various components of aircraft, such as engine parts, landing gear, and structural components, among others. By identifying these effects early, maintenance personnel can take corrective action before they become serious issues that can lead to accidents or failures.
Methodology. The following are the general steps to perform MT in aviation. 1. Reclining. Before the MT process begins, the part being inspected use thoroughly clean it to remove any dirt, oil, or other contaminants from the surface. 2. Magnetization. The part is magnetized using a magnet or an electromagnetic yoke to create a magnet and fill the part. Third, application of the magnetic particles. A magnetic particle suspension is the applied to the surface of the part. The suspension contains small magnetic particles that are then attracted to any discontinuous or cracks in the surface of the part. 4. Inspection. The inspector examines the surface of the part for any visible indication or defects. The inspector may use different lighting techniques or UV lighting or enhance the visibility of the magnetic particles and make the indication easier to see. 5. Interpretation. The inspector interprets the indication and determines where in a defect or a false indication caused by other factors such as surface and roughness or residual magnetics. 6. Post-cleaning. After the inspection is complete, the part must be thoroughly cleaned to remove any remaining magnetic particles from the surface. This is important because any remaining particles can use corrosion or damage the part over time. 7. Documentation. And finally, the results of the inspection are documented, including the location and severity of any defects found.
For this work, the main idea was to develop a magnetic camera which could find internal cracks in the aircraft's structure to measure the distribution of a magnetic field and visualizes the magnetic pattern. The magnetic field is the camera is distorted according to the existence of metal or cracks. Because of the distortion, the distribution of the magnetic field in the air is changed and concentrated onto the magnetic lens. The distribution of the magnetic field can be translated into analog signals by using the magnetic sensor array to digital signals, which are translated from the analog distance by using the AD converters are inputted on the computer, stored, processed, and displayed.
Results: the made artificial cracks with the different values of the length, width, and depth with the rectangular and triangular shapes were forming using electron discharge machine and the M of the center of the specimen.
The authors of this work focused on the surface cracks and the distribution in the magnetic field on a crack is similar with the shape of crack. That is, the sectional views of the magnetic field are similar with the rectangular or triangular shapes. The intensity of each distribution changes in proportion to the depth of the crack. The length of the rectangular crack can be estimated from the magnetic images. That is, the distance between the two largest distortions on the tips on the crack indicates the length of the rectangular crack.
Conclusion: in this research, they automatize the wide-to-thin crack in the structure of the aircraft. Using this camera, the failures in the structure like internal cracks with the different dimensions while be easily discovered to the way to prevent accidents and aging.
Thanks for watching.